Hi guys, I thought I'd just quickly show you what I've been up to. I've made another embellishment pack, and this one comes with a little wallet journal. This is on the angel theme again, but this one's got like pink, pinky colours to it, so all the seam binding is pink and tea stained. So to start with, we have a little wallet journal, which is one of my smaller ones, and inside what I've done, I've got lace on here and there's cotton. This is all hand dyed with either tea stain or coffee stained. This is all hand dyed with some of my inks that I have. Inside we've got I think there's 20 pages in here. So we've got envelopes and tea stained paper and some card here, lined card. So that's really pretty. So it's a really nice size to go into your handbag. So that's pretty, and we'll just have the closure with the seam binding bow. Oops, I can close it up. There we go. Then we've got a little bit of seam binding just down the side, a little ruffled up there. So I thought that was really lovely. So in our little packet, I've got all these little handmade embellishments, and to hold them we have this lovely little envelope, which has lace and seam binding and all little picture on there. So that's nice to keep bits and pieces in. And then we have three little pockets. So look, we can pop little bits and pieces in each one, which is nice. So they're three different sizes, and they've got sort of seam binding, and we've got some little die cuts on here, and some bits of lace here. So the little fold over bit on this one is a die cut, so which is nice. It makes it look a little bit different, which is pretty. And then we've got the fabric underneath and the little picture. So we've got three little pockets there, which are nice to pop little bits and pieces in. This one I have two. These have got angel wings on, so that's a nice little tuck. You could pop that and you could tuck, or you could make it into a pocket, glue it onto your page, or you can do some journaling on the back and just tuck it in somewhere. On this one, it's got a little pocket in there in the top, so it's another little pocket somewhere to pop things. So you could either glue that onto your page and have two pockets. So if you just glue down the sides and along the bottom, you could have a pocket there and a pocket there to pop bits and pieces in. And they've both got lace and fabric on there, and they've all been gessoed to give you that lovely little muted look to it. And then we have a little book, and we have a book and a tag, and they've got the same picture on, so that's really nice. So that's a little tag there, which has got they've all been sewn on the sewing machine. And here's a little tea stained paper book, so that's really pretty. And then we have a couple of tags, so that's feathers appear when angels are near, and that's a little pocket in there, so you can pop little bits and pieces in there as well. So they're little ones, and that's got angels of dreams written on there, so really lovely. And then we have another little book, Fairy Whispers book, with some lace on there, some tea stained paper, some doilies in there, and little bits of cards and all sorts in there, so lots of bits and pieces in there to do some journaling in. And then we have a little tag book. Well, they're not tags, they're just little rectangles that you can actually journal on and pop them back in here. So we've got two of those little angels in there. And then we've got a little swallow. This is napkin paper on here, which I've sewn on here, and that's a little bird on there with some blossom flowers there, which matches in lovely with the pink seam binding. So I thought that was a little nice one to pop into your journal. And then we have a little tag here which says angels, so that's nice to hang off either off the outside of your journal, which is lovely. And then I've got a little like a grease proof paper, this is, which I've made into a little pocket, into a little bag. And then I've got some of my seam binding flowers on these little bulb clips. So we've got three of those, and then on this one I've actually popped it onto a little brooch pin, which is nice. So you can pop that onto your front of your journal, or just clip it onto a page, and these can just dingle dangle off your pages on the side. So yeah, there we go guys. I thought I'd just show you what I've been up to. This will be on my Etsy store. So this is lovely. I'm not quite sure how many bits and pieces on there, but I will pop that in the underneath the video. So there we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you like my bits and pieces that I've been making. Please do check out my Etsy store, because I do have bits and pieces in there now and again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.